Hey everyone, Chris at Lamedex. Today we are going to install a rear splash guard on this Tesla Model Y. Taking our spray bottle that's filled with filtered water, I'm going to clean the area first by spraying and misting the area, making it wet. And then we're going to take a microfiber towel or any towel that doesn't leave any lint, and we're just going to wipe down and clean the area up. I had already washed the vehicle prior to this, so now I'm just doing fine details of getting any dirt, dust, and debris and bug guts completely removed from this area prior to installing our Lamedex. Just being very thorough, making sure everything's all cleaned and dried up. And then we're going to take our sprayer again, which is filled with the solution, installation solution plus filtered water. And we're going to mist the entire area where we're going to install the Lamedex. We're going to mist it completely so there aren't any dry spots, but it doesn't have to be soaking wet so that it's dripping down. And now I'm actually going to clean and spray that same solution on my fingers to make sure they're wet so that my fingerprints do not mar the adhesive as we're trying to separate the Lamedex from the liner and as we're handling the film. So I separate the liner from the Lamedex to make sure it doesn't stick upon itself. And I just do a couple quick sprays on the back side of the adhesive. And now I'm going to lightly tack the pre-cut Lamedex onto the area that we're going to protect. Now it is pre-cut for this vehicle, so all I have to do is just line it up to the corner here while I'm doing my initial tack. And as I initially tack it down, I want to make sure I don't have any large bunched up areas and it's not, bubbling or wrinkling. I'm just lightly tacking it down. And I can also apply some solution on the outside for a lubrication layer as we do the installation. And if you feel it's sticking, you can just spray the paint and the film again a little bit more to make sure it has a little bit of sliding. So you can pull it back up, reapply it again. Now we're going to take our squeegee, which is inside the squeegee sleeve, and that sleeve is there to help protect from scratching the film. And now we're just going to start squeezing the moisture out from underneath the Lamedex by using a medium, moderate amount of pressure. I have a little bunched up area, so I'm just going to pull back up, reapply it down with the squeegee and line it up perfectly. And I'm just pushing this moisture out from underneath the Lamedex, move my way out towards the edge. Now I'm just applying it down, moderate pressure, smoothly so it's not bunching up. Just pressing the moisture out, going down, working my way out towards the edge. Just doing some fluid, smooth motions. Got most of the moisture out now, so I'm just kind of pushing it along the edges there, make sure all the edges are applied down. Now I'm taking our microfiber towel and just drying up the area completely after the installation is complete. Checking all the edges after the moisture is pushed all out of there. And if you have any air pockets or water pockets in there, they eventually will evaporate over time. Just give it a couple weeks in the sunlight and it'll be completely invisible. You won't even notice it's there. I'm just checking all the edges again to make sure it's all applied down, but there you go. Installed beautifully. Have a good day.